Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the top left button for a few seconds. You'll navigate menus using the 5 physical buttons or the responsive touchscreen. A quick tap on the screen or a button press will wake it up. Explore the main menu by swiping or pressing the up/down buttons to access various widgets and settings, getting you started on your journey with this powerful smartwatch. This watch offers comprehensive health and fitness monitoring. Track your heart rate continuously, monitor blood oxygen saturation, and analyze your sleep patterns for deeper insights. When you're ready for an activity, simply select from over 60 preloaded sports apps. The Sapphire solar charging lens extends your battery life significantly, harnessing the sun's energy to keep you going longer, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures and daily wear. Personalize your Fenix 7 Pro to match your style and needs. Choose from countless watch faces, customize data fields for your activities, and create unique activity profiles. Connect it to your smartphone for seamless smart notifications, allowing you to see calls and messages right on your wrist. You can also control your music playback and even make quick, secure contactless payments using Garmin Pay, adding convenience to your busy day. Navigate confidently with built-in maps and multi-band global positioning system technology, providing superior accuracy even in challenging environments. Whether hiking or running, your route is clear. Manage your power settings to maximize battery life. In smartwatch mode, you can achieve up to 37 days, and up to 122 hours in global positioning system mode with solar charging. Understand these settings to ensure your watch lasts as long as your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.